Wow, so you can get the visa stamped on your passport and then you can travel to other countries. And what are these?
Flags.
Flags.
This is the India flag.
Yes, this is the Indian flag. Tricolor. Which colors are there in the Indian flag?
Green, white, purple, blue, and orange. Welcome to Prayan's world. So, this is our world map. It sees all your different friends in all your different countries. Look at this kangaroo.
Where do they live? Which continent is this?
What is called, Mummy?
This is called Australia.
Australia. It's called Australia. That's where kangaroos are found. Scarfires. Skater car fire.
What is that?
It's one racing car. Change.
Wow.
When a car is old, we pick a new one.
Oh, that's Germany, where Mercedes-Benz was discovered.
Eiffel Tower.
Yeah, that's in Paris, in France.
Paris in France.
Paris is a city in France. What else do we have?
France.
What is this?
Is Africa, where camels are found here.
Right. And what are these?
What? Here. in
Which is
India.
this? India, yes.
It's quite small than this.
Yes, it is. In which continent does India lies?
We get
Asia.
all the way here. We get all the way here.
And where are the penguins found?
And we go back to here. We go down, down, down. We need to go down, down, down to see the penguin. This time.
Which is this a place called?
Antarctic. And this is not Greenland. This is the Arctic.
This is the Arctic, and in Arctic...
No, this is Arctic.
Okay, this is not Greenland, it is Arctic.
Yes, where
Okay.
polar bears are found.
Polar bears, yeah.
And this,
Is the Antarctic.
when we need to go down here. We need to go down here to see the penguins.
Yes.
So how can we swim?
We need to know how to swim.
But I don't know how to swim.
We'll learn it soon.
But it will full of water, then the dirty water will go inside, then make me there in Arctic.
What if we wear an oxygen cylinder and then we go inside the ocean?
But where it found?
Where it is found?
This country.
Yes. Which is this country? This country is called Saudi Arabia.
I'm talking about this one.
Yemen.
Yemen. That's where those things are found. We put them on our heads. Then go back to India. Then swim to the water and go there.
Awesome. And here comes the exciting thing. What is this?
Passport.
Passport. Why do we need a passport?
Not trip to the Arctic.
Oh, to travel to different countries and continents, we need a passport.
Yes, but this is we can stamp our names and do other things in this.
And what are these?
Another passport.
And this is the visa book.
And look at this.
Wow, so you can get the visa stamped on your passport and then you can travel to other countries. And what are these?
Flags.
Flags.
This is the India flag.
Yes, this is the Indian flag. Tricolor. Which colors are there in the Indian flag?
Green, white, purple, blue, and orange.
Wow.
And 4 colors.
4 colors. And you need visa on your passport to travel to all these amazing countries.
We can't forget about this passport.
Yes.
So the sticker marker. We put our card in and check. And then we stamp our names on the machine and we will know. And it will slide out from the end.
Right.
And this passport is for liftoff. So
Right.
we will stamp it named. We will put it into the machine, and we will put the flags into another small machine. The small machine, we put the small card into it, and put the big passport, into the big machine.
Right.
Both have slots for open air, for going in, out. Going in and going out. Mommy, here are the 2 passports.
So here is the passport and the visas.
I don't know how to fold it back.
Okay. Oh, you did a good job.